Greetings, tubies. It's Crow speaking. Driving into the nature preserve here on the edge of Radcliffe and Fort Knox. It's about 30 acres, and then it's got another 100 acres that it's attached to that the military owns, and they just lease it. The city of Radcliffe leases it, so it makes it about a 130 acre nature preserve, which is pretty big. It's about between a quarter and a half mile. If you were to square it, it'd probably be somewhere around there. Although it's not nearly in the shape of a square, so it seems much larger than what it really is. We just passed the circle that the Boy Scouts use quite a bit. Passing all kinds of trails. There's trails off to the right, there's trails off to the left. Kind of see the bottom off to the left, down through the ridges. Little parking spot there. Trail there. So it's a nice little spot to come and hike. Nice little spot to take the kids in the spring or summertime. Go get a dip in the springs down here. Of course, I like nature even if it's the fall or wintertime, as you can see clearly out here today. And it is clearly midwinter. Off to the right here is some of my favorite hiking. It leads you off of the nature preserve, probably the quickest. And here we are driving up to the main part of the stream. Water's flowing pretty heavy today. Picnic area. A lot of people come and picnic here in the summertime, like I said. Here's the garden I made a video of the other day. Up above it is the lake, or the pond that people fish in. And yeah, that water sure is flowing today. I'll have to get out and make a video. Coming up here to the old pump houses. Setting off to the side. They've been in disuse probably for 50 years now. There's the head of Saunders Springs over there. Here's the old reservoir. Well, there you have it. I just wanted to make a quick video of driving into the nature preserve. There's a bit more to it than the path that I've driven. This is the most direct route from the beginning back here to the heart of it, which the roads, barely cover the acreage. So over here at park. In front of the fern trail, like I normally do. I don't have Max with me today, so I should be able to get in a pretty decent hike. But anyhow, that being said, I just wanted to show you guys my ride into Saunders Springs here in the wintertime. Until we meet again, many blessings and peace out.